Z designed the Durango half-ton models to be 1200 GVWR or less. This model's GVWR is only 10.5 pounds, with a dry weight of 8,480 pounds. It has an exterior length of 33 feet 7 inches, and the highest point of the exterior is 12 feet. With a 55-gallon freshwater tank, 53-gallon black tank, 93-gallon gray tank, and a convenient place for a generator, you and your family can comfortably enjoy the great outdoors without having to rush back to civilization. This fifth wheel is not short on storage either. With 25 cabinets and drawers in the main living area and kitchen alone, you will always have space for that one more thing you wanted to bring on your trip. This unit because it can sleep so many people without feeling cramped. The queen double bunks can sleep 2 each. Add in the U-dinette and the queen bed in the back, and you can sleep 7 without even having to think about it. Come see this Durango half-ton 286 VHD at Terrebonne RV in Alvin, Texas, or go online to